Well, a very good afternoon from Phuket, and today I have something a little bit special for you. If you're like me and a lover of Thai cuisine, then today's video is going to interest you. I've come over to Phuket Easy Thai Cooking, which is owned and run by a lady called Garn. She's been running the school for just over 4 years and it takes place most days of the week. But the first job on today's list is to go over and pick up students for the afternoon. We're just leaving the school now to go and pick up today's students. Once we have the students, we will be visiting the local market because, of course, when you're cooking food, you need ingredients. Once we've got all the ingredients together, we will go back to the school to start and prepare today's menu. Well, we've just arrived at the fresh produce market just outside of Phuket. This is where we're going to source all the ingredients for today's menu. Of course, Thai food relies heavily on fresh produce, and the local markets are a great place to source out these ingredients. The Thais pride themselves on making their food with the freshest of ingredients, unlike us in the West, where we tend to go shopping once a week to buy our ingredients and then refrigerate them. The Thai people tend to use the ingredients the same day for their dishes, and this is one of the reasons why Thai food tastes so great. Normally Garn will spend 30 to 40 minutes at the market with her students, showing them around, showing them the various different ingredients that are going to be needed for that particular day. She will also give them some tips and advice on knowing which ingredients to use and also how to tell those ingredients are really fresh. This also gives the students a chance to ask any questions they may have regarding the fresh produce market. Of course, there's going to be some produce there that they may have never seen before, they don't have in their own country, and they can ask on questions about what it is and how it's used in the various different Thai dishes. If you're planning on cooking any Thai food, then these local markets are a great place to come and source the freshest of produce. Well, we've just finished getting the produce at the market, so we are now going to make our way back to the cooking school, and this is where we will start to prepare the necessary ingredients for today's menu.
We got it from my garden that I grow. So just boiling and then make the blue tea for you.
We are now about to start doing the preparation for today's menu, which includes pad thai, one of my favourites, and of course a very well-known dish here in Thailand. There is also Thai green curry on the menu, tom yum kung, again a very well-known dish. Garn is also going to be showing us how to prepare a Thai curry paste, which is of course a very important ingredient in any Thai curry.
แกงเขียวหวานไก่ แกง is green curry. You call bird chili or bird eye chili. We use the green. Green is the young. Sometimes you can use the red, but not in the green curry. The red you can make for red curry or panang curry. Some kind of curry you can use red.
The cooking class is normally broken down into several sections, the first section being knowing and understanding the ingredients you're about to use, and this is where Garn will take her students through the ingredients that they've just purchased at the local market, showing them how to correctly prepare the ingredients, because of course preparation to Thai cooking is a very important part. As she prepares each ingredient, she will then pass that ingredient around the class, allowing the students to try the individual ingredients so that the students understand the flavour of the ingredient and how it will affect the dish. Once Garn has run through the prep, she will then ask her students to prepare their own ingredients ready for cooking. While the students are busy preparing their own ingredients, Garn and her staff will ready the kitchen for the afternoon's cooking. Now comes the really fun part of the day when the students get a chance to try their hand at Thai cooking, but first Garn will run through a dish herself, showing the students how to correctly cook the dish, allowing them to taste it and then asking her students to reproduce the same dish. As I was standing there watching Garn with the kitchen filled with all those delicious aromas, I could easily tell that Garn takes a lot of pride in what she does. The first dish of the day was Thai green curry, which smelled and tasted absolutely delicious. Now, of course, the cooking school makes a great activity if you are planning on visiting Phuket over the next 6 months during the rainy season, because this is something you can do come rain or shine. And if you are interested in visiting Garn's cooking school, then I will list all the links down below. I'd also like to take a moment to thank Garn and her staff over at Phuket Easy Thai Cooking for allowing me to come over and also supplying me with some very delicious food on the afternoon of filming. Now, we all have our own favourite Thai dishes that we may be interested in learning how to cook, and the cooking school does offer a large menu when it comes to the dishes. So what I'm going to do is take a picture of their leaflet which shows the variety of dishes, which days of the week they are cooked on, whether it be the morning or the afternoon, and I will include this at the end of the video. Well, as always, I hope you've enjoyed today's video, found it helpful, and if so, please do remember to give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel and would like to know more about Thailand, then please do feel free to subscribe. So thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you on the next one.